hair cells. Root hair cells are specialized cells found in plants. They are adapted to aid the absorption of water and mineral ions from the soil. Adaptive features include root hairs, long extensions of the cell that increase the surface area for absorption, and mitochondria, which release energy for active transport. Remember to always include structure and function when discussing adaptations. Root hair cells are located around the outer surfaces of plant roots under the soil. Soil contains minerals such as magnesium ions and nitrates, which are taken up into root hair cells against their concentration gradient by active transport. This lowers the water potential of root hair cells, and water in the soil moves into the cells down a water potential gradient by osmosis. Remember that minerals enter root hair cells by active transport, and water follows by osmosis. Here we're presented with an image of a cell and asked to explain how it carries out its function. When tackling any exam question, you should always take note of the command word and the number of marks available. Here we've been asked to explain how the cell carries out its function for 3 marks. So we need to recognize the cell as a root hair cell, and we need to give plenty of detail in our explanation. Using bullet points can be a good way of checking that you've included enough different points for the number of marks, but be sure to write in full sentences. We need to say that minerals are taken up by active transport, that this reduces the water potential inside the root hair cell, and that water then moves into the cell by osmosis. In summary, root hair cells are adapted to absorb water and minerals from the soil. They have a large surface area, and they have mitochondria which release energy for active transport. Minerals are absorbed by active transport, lowering the water potential of root hair cells. And water enters root hair cells down a water potential gradient by osmosis.